Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is the Icon Cash. Here we teach you how to make a legit and passive income online. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make a tons of money with ebook without writing any of it. So how you can make a passive income from ebook without writing any of the ebook, without writing them. So today I'm going to be revealing to you where you can find free ebook and how you are going to rebrand it, put your name, your own topic on it, put your even if you can put your picture on it. I will be sharing with you everything from A to Z. So if this is your first time here, kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that immediately when I upload another new videos, YouTube will notify you and you will be able to benefit from the video. And if you are a returning subscribers, do me a favor by sharing the videos to your friends and families who have passion in making money online. And also drop a comment under the comment section so that I will know what to improve and what to adjust. And remember that here I told you that I valued your opinion. Your opinion is highly valued. So without wasting our time, if you don't know how to set up, in my previous videos I've talked about how to set up an Amazon account. So if you don't know how to set it up, you can check under the video descriptions. There's a link to the video there, and you can also check my channel. You can check for the videos on how to create Amazon account. Now, what is Amazon account? In Amazon account, what they do here is to write an ebook. When you are through with the writing, you upload the ebook with the ebook cover, and they will be the one to market the book for you and sell the ebook for you. And immediately they sell the ebook for you, your royalty will be paid to you. Your royalty will be paid to you. And one thing about this website is, the more the ebook you have, the more the money you make. So that's why I'm going to be showing you a place where you can get thousands of ebooks without writing any of them, and with copyright. You own everything. You don't need to scared of anything. They have, you can use it, you can rebrand it, and you can resell it. So now let us move to the first one. The first one is here. I call it bestdplrcom. You can see bestdplrcom. So here you have access to many ebooks online. You can see them. This one is Facebook ad on track. This one, what is the stress? You can see them. A lot of ebooks on different topics, on various topics. You can see the 5 secrets of overcoming overload, being self-disciplined, and many more. So this one is on weight loss. So when you click on it like this, you can see, looking to lose weight but not know how to get started. So that's the intro to the book. So when you scroll down, you see product license, mastered, resell right, that is you can resell it. Sales page, yes, that is they offer you sales page, and you can create a sales page on your own. So now let us talk about the product license instruction. Yes, can be sold, that is you can sell it. Yes, can be used for personal use. Yes, can be convey and sell personal use right, that is you can change and rebrand it, as I said earlier. without anybody penalizing you for using it. You can rebrand it. So can convey and sell, master the sale right, that is change the name, change everything. So can modify, change the sales letter. You can change, modify, can put your name on the sales letter, can add into payment. You can see paid membership website, that is website that will pay you, just like the one we are talking about now, like Amazon will pay you for uploading the book. Immediately the book was, you get buyer for the book, so you will be able to make money from it. Can print offline and many more. So that is, you have access to tons of ebooks here that you can download, and immediately you click on download. So don't mind them. When you keep on trying, you'll be able to download it. They want you to subscribe to their channel before you can use it, but there is a way of doing it. So when you keep on trying it, you will have access to download it. So, and the second one is the one I call the idplr.com. idplr.com is also, you can see they say they have 12,599 PRL products. That is, they have 12,000 ebooks that you can just get from them, and you upload it to Amazon, and Amazon continue to pay you for the books. Amazon will continue to pay you for the books. So now let us check it out. So you come here, you come under to free product. You click on free ebooks, because we are using free ebooks. When you click on free ebooks, you can, now we have a lot of ebooks. We have the warrior mindset, how to create your own physical video product, the warrior marketer, the expert interview for extra traffic. You can see we have tons of ebooks here that you can download for free. So anyone you want to download can just come down here. We have the one of Bank Diet. We have the one of Heal Yourself. When you click on Heal Yourself, you can see this is it. They said this is the preview. Ask 7 chapters. Know thyself, know thy limits, be honest, be kind, be forgiving, be generous, be yourself. So that's it. So when you click on download, so this one is totally free, but you need to log in. When you log in, come here, you register with them for free. When you log in, you have access to it. You download it. Immediately you download it, you change everything and to rebrand it. So I've show you the 2 sites you can get the free ebooks. Now let me fast forward to where you can rebrand the book. Maybe you don't want to use the back cover, you want to change the back cover to yours. So I'll be introducing to us a platform I call Canva. Canva.com. Canva.com. So under Canva.com, you just come to this, you register with them. and you go for their free trial. They have free trials. They have a month free trial. So you come under their search and you search for ebook cover. You can see it's already here. You click on it. You click on ebook cover. You can see we have a lot of ebook covers. So if you check the one you like, if you like this one, you click on it. I like this one, so I click on it. So you can edit it. What is the name of heal yourself? So heal yourself is what we want. So you just delete it, then you write heal yourself. Is it yourself? Yes, heal yourself. Yes, heal yourself. So that's it. So by who? So you come to this by and you put by and your name. Your name is Bukola Thomas. You can see, and you come to this place. You can just put any of the description. Maybe they said, let me check. You have how to successful navigate through. You can see simple way to heal yourself. Simple way to heal yourself. You can use that simple way to heal yourself. Come to the page, you type it, you name it simple ways to heal yourself. So you can increase it. You can see, you can increase the font size so that it will be more brighter. Hope you can see now. You can increase this one too. You can increase the font size. You can increase the font size. You can see the name too. You can increase it so that it will be more clearer and for people to see. So then when you are through with it, when you are through with your work like this, so you just come here, you click on download. When you click on download, automatically you select the format you want to use. If it is PNG, if it is JPEG, so assuming it is JPEG, then you click on download. You can see it is already download. I have already signed up for this one, so you can see already that it has download. Don't mind, I don't need to share. So that's how to get it. You can see this one too. This is one of my work. So that's how to rebrand. This is how you are going to rebrand everything. This is how you are going to rebrand it. This is how you are going to rebrand it. And you just go back to your Amazon. You click on Kindle ebooks. When you click on Kindle ebooks, so and you start to fill English, the title of the book. You put the title of the book. After you put the title of the book, the subtitle, you put the subtitles, author name, your name and everything. The description, you can just copy from the description here. You can copy from the description here. You can see, this is the description, so you can copy the description here and paste it here. And that's all. You click on, you are the owner, you are the rightful owner of it. Then you scroll down, you select everything, and you publish it, then you continue to wait for your money and continue. That's how you are going to continue to earn money, passive money, from eBay, from Kindle. So I believe you have gained something from this tutorial. So remember to give us a like, a comment. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel. So till the next video, where I'm going to be talking about how you are going to make money on Fiverr without having any skills. How you are going to be making money on Fiverr without having any skill. So till then, we still remain the Icon Cash. Subscribe to our channel. Kindly subscribe to our channel.